In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add upload photo option in Wix. To get started, open the Wix editor for the site where you want visitors to upload a photo. This feature is usually added through a form, so the first thing you need to do is place a form on your page if you do not already have one there. Once you are inside the editor, go to the left side menu and click Add Elements, marked with the plus icon. This is where Wix keeps all the building blocks for your page, including forms and contact sections. From there, choose Contact and Forms. You will see different form layouts that you can use. Pick the one that best fits your page and drag it onto the page area. After the form has been added, click directly on the form so its settings appear. Then select Manage Fields. This area lets you control what information people can submit through the form. For example, this is where you can add or remove items like name fields, message boxes, and in this case, a photo upload option. Inside the Field Manager, click Add New Field. Wix will show several field types you can include in your form. To allow image uploads, go to Advanced Fields, and then choose File Upload. This adds an upload field to the form so visitors can attach a file when they submit it. Once the upload field is added, it is important to make sure the form accepts only the type of file you want. Look for the supported file type setting, and change it to images only. This helps keep the form focused on photo uploads and reduces the chance of people submitting the wrong kind of file. It also makes the process clearer for anyone filling out the form on your site. Before you finish, it is a good idea to quickly review the form on the page and make sure the new field is placed where you want it. This can help the form look more organized and easier to use. When everything looks right, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Publish. Publishing makes your changes live, so visitors to your Wix site will be able to see and use the photo upload option right away. That covers everything you need to know.